welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. This is my course HTML and CSS for Novices, and this course is tailored for absolute beginners or people who want a refresher or people who just want to know more about HTML and web development or front-end development. So in this video, we're going to continue where we left off from the previous video. In that video, we were talking about CSS layouts, specifically the topic of positions, and we treated about 3 position properties, which were static, absolute, and relative. In this video, we're going to talk about sticky and fixed positioning. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to start by commenting this out from the previous video. So we had relative and absolute elements right there. What I want to do, let me just copy this. In fact, let me cheat a bit. So now I'm just going to create, let's go sticky first. Let's do sticky first. And I'm probably going to place a paragraph here as well. Let's place some dummy text. Let's do lorem 50. And I quickly want to give the body a height. So style attribute, height property. And then let's do like 2000 pixels. So I'm able to scroll when I want to. And let's duplicate this paragraph and place it right beneath the sticky element. Now I'm going to go into CSS, target my sticky elements using the class symbol and the class name. And the symbol is the period. First off, we do our position, which is the most important here, and we select sticky. And with sticky elements, you have to specify at least one of the following, which are top, bottom, left, or right. So I'm going to do top 0. And what this means is I want it to stick to the top. I don't want any space between the sticky element and the top element. And the top of the page. So obviously I didn't specify, I didn't place some text, so I still have to give the sticky element some characteristics, some attributes. So a sticky element, and maybe I should give the sticky elements a height and a background color. So height 100 pixels will do, and background of yellow green should work. So now we can go into our browser, and you can see that there's a paragraph above, and there's one here too. So sticky elements, as we mentioned in the previous video, switch between relative and fixed positions. So what happens is when they are at rest or when the page isn't being scrolled, they are relative. But when the page is scrolled or when the process of scrolling is started or initiated, they tend to become fixed. So they hover over other elements and they stick to the top as we specified. We did top 0, and that is exactly what is happening. So in that case, that means we can deduce the fact that sticky elements are similar to fixed elements, just that fixed elements don't toggle between relative and fixed. They are fixed from the beginning. So we're just going to copy the sticky element and then duplicate, and then paste it. So we're doing fixed. Obviously, we have to change this as well. I'm going to go into my CSS and I'm going to copy this sticky, place it underneath. I'm going to select this text, hit Ctrl D to select the next occurrence. Let me do that again. So fixed. Maybe I want this to be red. So the scenario where sticky and fixed elements are used is normally when you want to do a nav bar. So let me just make this have a width of 100%. So I want it to cover the whole page. And Yeah, maybe I want the top. I want it to stick to the top as well. So now I want to clear this. Not clear per se. I want to comment it out so it does not appear on the page. And let's go to the page and see what's happening. Obviously, we won't know that this is fixed because no, actually we will, because anytime we scroll, it's going to be there. So in fact, let's say I give it a top value of 50%, which should push it down a bit. Let's see what happens. So even though I'm scrolling, there's a scroll bar here. You can see that it sticks where it sticks to the position that we specified. So if we came here and brought this back, you can see that this will stay here because it's static and it stays in the position that it was given from the beginning. So when you scroll, it goes to the top. But this one does not, this fixed element does not. It scrolls together with the page. I mean, it scrolls along with the page. And that's how fixed elements work. So you could have a nav bar on your page where you want people to constantly see the content of the nav bar, or you want them to be able to easily navigate your page. So you want the nav bar to show at all times. So you use the fixed or sticky, and that will work for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, and share, and turn on post notifications as I upload regularly. So for our next 4 videos, what we're going to do is I'm going to do 2 extra videos after this one. So I'm going to drop bonus content, extra materials that may come in handy. And then the last 2 videos, we're going to build actual websites with all the knowledge that we've garnered from this course. So we're going to put everything that we've learned and practiced into effect, and we're going to build a full website. So stay tuned, and there's a lot more to come. Thank you for watching.